In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace be upon you, and blessings of Allah be upon you. Friends, I welcome you once again to the Saidi Waj Jampur channel. Powered by Dubverse. And how to set its prior time. How to check the Qibla sims in it. And apart from this, there are many other different things in it. I will tell you everything in today's video. Friends, first of all, we will learn how to set its time. To set the time, first of all, you have to press the upper button once. Then you will see the Hijri date here. Now we have to set the Hijri date. For that, you have to press the middle button long. If you press long, then the date from Eid al-Fitr will come here. And the date will come with it. This month will come. Powered by Dubverse. Powered by Dubverse. Powered by Dubverse. You can also change this. If you press long, then 10 will come here. If you press the upper button, then 11 will come here. Then press the middle button long. So friends, you can set the date here. If you press the upper button, then you can set the date from here. So here I make it 28. Powered by Dubverse. So here the date from Hijri. The year will come here. So friends, today is the 12th day of Jumad al-Ula. And with that, this is the 5th month. And with that, this 1445 Hijri year is running. This is absolutely okay. After that, we have to press the middle button long. So this is absolutely okay. Powered by Dubverse. So here will come the time of Fajr prayer. So friends, how can you change the time of prayers? I will tell you the method of it later. So here will come Fajr. Fajr, Ashr, Zuhr, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. And here comes the Qibla. Now friends, how do we check the Qibla? For that, we have to press the middle button long. Powered by Dubverse. So you can see, this Qibla is indicating correctly. I move it a little. So you can see. It is indicating the Qibla correctly. Now I will press the middle button again. So this is okay. After that, we have to press the upper button once again. So here we have to set the time of this Fajr. Powered by Dubverse. From here, we have to set the time. For example, I set it to 5. After that, I will press the middle button. From here, I will set it to 30. Then I will press the middle button. So from here, you can set the seconds. Then we will press the middle button. So from here, the date we set on this day, those things will come here. Powered by Dubverse. So this is okay. Now we have to press the upper button again. So CT select. So friends, from here you have to select your nearest CT, which is the closest to you. So for this, I will press the middle button long. First of all, you have to select the country here. This is my country, Pakistan. You can also change it from the upper button and the lower button. So I make it Pakistan. After that, I will press the middle button. This is court. So from here, I will select DG Khan. Dara Ghazi Khan. Dara Ghazi Khan. So from here, you can see that Dara Ghazi Khan has come here. Powered by Dubverse. So now this DG Khan has been selected. Here, friends, let me make it clear to you. Whatever CT you select, the time of prayer of that CT will come in this watch. So the time of prayer that will come here. I will show you that. The time of prayer that is coming here is of DG Khan court. You have to select your court. After that, the time of prayer will automatically come in your watch. After that, this is done. Set time is done. CT is selected. Now hear the language. Press the middle button long. So from here, you can select the language. Two languages are available here. English and Arabic. Logo of Riga and English. You can put any of these two languages as you wish. If you press the middle button, it will be okay. Now again press the upper button. Here is the calendar, you can set it also. Here is the time and display, it means you can set. AM or PM with this option. Now again press the upper button. Here is the Azan display. Here is the Azan. Press the upper button. Now you can turn on the alarm. If you turn on the alarm you can set the time. Also now again press the upper button. Here is the stop. Watch. Press the middle button. You can use the stopwatch also. So friends, here is the volume. You can set the volume 1, 2 and you can turn it off. After that press the upper button. You can write your name in this watch. To write your name press the middle. Button. Here is the on button. Now again here is the new name. Press the middle button. From here you can write your name. Here I write Saqib S. Here is the S. After that press the middle button. Here is the A. Press the middle button. From here you can write Q. Press the middle button. From here I. Press the middle button. From here press the long button. From here Saqib is in the watch. I show you in the display. After that press the upper button. From here you can check the moon age. Here is the Quran and here is the shorts. After that you can check the life of the cell. It is a new watch. After that press the upper button. You can see that powered by others. Saqib is in the main display. Press the middle button. Here is the date. Press the upper button. Here is the name. You can complete the setting of this watch. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like it and share it with your friends, and if you have any problem you can mention it in the comment box. I will try to make a video on it. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.